Discover the ultimate water activities in El Calafate, where you can enjoy everything from relaxing boat rides to adrenaline-pumping water sports. Whether you're looking for excitement or relaxation, El Calafate has it all. El Calafate, Perito Moreno Glacier, Big Ice Trek. Starting with a pickup from El Calafate, the journey traverses approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach Bahía de la Sombra port. Subsequently, a voyage across the Rico Channel ensues, followed by an ascent down the southwestern coastline of Patagonia. This leads to the destination of Perito Moreno Glacier, where guests embark upon a guided hiking expedition lasting roughly 1 hour and 30 minutes. During their ascent, participants will traverse alongside the glacier's expansive surface, offering breathtaking panoramic views. Upon reaching the viewing platform, spectators can marvel at the vast expanse of frozen landscapes unfolding before them. Following this initial phase, hikers prepare themselves for the rigorous trek across the glacier's icy terrain. Spanning 4 hours, this excursion allows visitors to observe intricate ice formations from multiple angles. Expert guides share insights into the local flora and fauna, as well as fascinating details regarding the glaciological phenomena prevalent in the region. At the conclusion of the tour, guests make their way back to Bahía de la Sombra port, where they may further explore the site from elevated viewpoints or balconies. Ultimately, travelers return to the bustling city of El Calafate, leaving behind memories of a remarkable experience in Patagonian nature. El Calafate Perito Moreno Glacier Trekking Tour and Cruise. Embark on an unforgettable journey into the heart of Patagonia, aboard a guided trek within Los Glaciares National Park. Set off from the picturesque Bahía de la Sombra port, traversing the captivating landscape of the western coast, via the tranquil Brazo Rico. Upon reaching the destination, relax as experienced guides provide detailed insights into the local flora and fauna. Proceed to traverse the expansive glaciers, equipped with sturdy crampons for safety, while being led by certified professionals. Marvel at the stunning ice formations and gain a deeper understanding of glacier phenomena, including ruptures and the indigenous wildlife thriving beneath their vast expanse. Afterward, retrace your steps back towards the refuge, passing through the enchanting Magellan Forest, where you may indulge in a leisurely meal overlooking the majestic Perito Moreno Glacier. As you make your way across the Argentina lake, glide past the colossal Perito Moreno, creating an awe-inspiring scene. For those seeking a different perspective, consider ascending to the observation deck for a panoramic view of the glacier's immense beauty, offering a unique opportunity to witness its grandeur up close. Perito Moreno Glacier Private Tour with Optional Boat Ride. Embark on an unforgettable journey through the breathtaking beauty of the Perito Moreno Glacier, a pinnacle of the renowned Patagonian landscape. This majestic ice field and glacier is the epitome of natural splendor, offering unparalleled opportunities for exploration and appreciation. Your adventure begins with a convenient pickup service, available between 8:00 a.m. and 1:00 p.m., tailored to accommodate your preferences. Upon reaching the glacier, proceed to the designated parking area where your exclusive group will embark upon a captivating experience. If you opt for the additional feature, a serene 1-hour boat ride ahead of the glacier's northern wall awaits, providing an intimate opportunity to witness, hear, and capture its awe-inspiring majesty firsthand. Following the boat ride, immerse yourself in a profound experience by spending up to 5 hours traversing the glacier and its surrounding trails under the expert guidance of your knowledgeable guide. Witness the Perito Moreno Glacier, known as one of the most dynamic and accessible ice fields globally, situated as the central attraction within the southern sector of Los Glaciares National Park. As the glacier constantly advances, it stands as a testament to nature's relentless power and resilience. El Calafate, Perito Moreno Glacier Guided Day Tour and Sailing. Embark upon a remarkable expedition by choosing to visit the Perito Moreno Glacier during a day trip originating from El Calafate. Upon arrival, commence your journey with ample time to explore the various viewpoints surrounding the glacier. Subsequently, indulge in an hour-long sailing excursion along the rich branch of Argentino Lake. This voyage offers captivating vistas of the glacier and the serene waters below. This itinerary promises an unforgettable experience, allowing you to appreciate the breathtaking beauty of the Perito Moreno Glacier amidst its natural setting. Gourmet Glacier Cruise and Footbridges of Perito Moreno. Embark upon a full-day cruise aboard the Maria Turquesa, navigating towards the breathtaking glaciers of the national park. Begin your journey by transferring from your hotel to the private Port La Soledad, followed by an approximately 47-kilometer drive into the park's boundaries. Upon arrival, embark on the vessel for a serene voyage through the waters of Lake Argentino. Cross the peninsula known as Boca del Diablo, then proceed to the north arm of the lake. Navigate through the Uppsala Canal, where you'll have the opportunity to observe the iconic Uppsala Glacier, situated roughly 10 kilometers away. Proceed to the Spegazzini Channel, where you'll witness the captivating spectacle of hanging glaciers like the Dry Glacier, Heim Sur, Pineta, and continue onward to Las Vacas Post, where you may engage in a leisurely 30-minute walk through a lush forest. Your next stop is the majestic Spegazzini Glacier, towering at an elevation of 135 meters above the lake level, approximately 440 feet, offering panoramic views of the surrounding natural landscape. Utilize this time to capture memorable photographs, while immersing yourself in the tranquil atmosphere. As you near your final destination, arrive at Perito Moreno Glacier, where you'll disembark via walkways to conclude a day filled with awe-inspiring vistas and unexpected delights. Following the cruise, take a comfortable bus ride back to your accommodation in El Calafate, marking the successful conclusion of your extraordinary adventure aboard the Maria Turquesa. El Calafate, Perito Moreno Glacier and optional boat cruise. Departure from your hotel in El Calafate at approximately 10:30 a.m. and proceed towards the Perito Moreno Glacier, situated within the Los Glaciares National Park. Proceeding westward along the Magallanes Peninsula, allow ample time for exploration of this awe-inspiring natural ice formation. Initiate your tour of the national park by embarking upon a leisurely walk along a 4-kilometer, 5-mile trail network. As you traverse the scenic terrain, ascend to various levels and balconies offering unparalleled views of the colossal Perito Moreno Glacier. Engage in a 2-hour exploration of the glacier's runways, during which time indulge in a picnic lunch or sample the culinary delights available at local eateries. For those seeking additional immersion into nature, opt for an optional 1-hour boat ride in front of the glacier's northern wall. Upon concluding the tour, retrace your steps back to El Calafate along the original route, arriving in the evening. El Calafate Safari Azul Los Glaciares Trekking Tour. Embark on an exhilarating expedition through the frozen wilderness of Patagonia's Los Glaciares National Park. Join a guided trekking tour that begins in El Calafate and culminates at Los Glaciares National Park. From the Bahía Las Sombras port, approximately 7 kilometers from the Footbridges, embark on a scenic boat ride across Lago Rico. The journey takes approximately 20 minutes, after which you disembark on the opposite shore. Proceeding inland, traverse a rugged landscape comprising sand, rocks and gentle inclines towards the shore of the lake, and into a verdant forest. As you near the southern wall of the Perito Moreno Glacier, your guide will lead you closer to this awe-inspiring sight. Approach the ice wall itself and allow yourself to touch its frigid surface and marvel at the vivid blue and white hues and intricate shapes etched by nature's hand. Capture these memories as you return to the boat, where you may choose to spend time enjoying your packed lunch while taking in breathtaking views of the vast glacial expanse. On the return journey to El Calafate, board a bus for a leisurely 2-hour break to savor your meal and absorb the panoramic vistas of the Patagonian steppe. Upon arrival, relish the opportunity to marvel at the grandeur of Los Glaciares National Park, ensuring that every moment spent here remains unforgettable.